Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Body changes or the pathology, what you will experience or what your body experiences during PCOS. First, insulin resistance, hyperandrogenism, LH surge, E2 fall and E1 rise and follicular arrest. So what are all these pathological terms? Let me explain or break it down to you in a normal language. As I told you already, if this is the follicle and if this are the theca cells and this is the granulosa part, remember that the LH hormone acts on the theca cells to produce androgen. Okay, and this androgen internally will be converted into E2 or estradiol or estrogen as we know by FSH and by aromatase. Okay, this is normal physiology. So what is happening is, if you consume a lot of sugar or if there is dyslipidemia, there is insulin resistance and IGF-1 releasing, which is insulin like hormone. What does this causes? You will have a lot of fat in your body. So whenever the LH hormone acts on your theca cells and produces androgens, these androgens are peripherally converted. That means they are converted in the fat to E1. Okay. So there is peripheral conversion of the androgen to E1 or estrone, which is as not as much as potent as estradiol or E2. Okay. And there is increase in E1 and there is decrease in E2. Okay, you understood this part. And when there is increase in E1, it will have positive feedback on LH. That means this peripherally converted, a lot of fat in the body will convert or will stop this conversion of E2, and this androgen will go near the fat and it will be converted into E1. Okay, there is increase in E1. This E1 will have positive feedback on LH. That means there is a lot of increase of LH hormone. LH hormone will again stimulate the theca cells. They will produce androgen and again there is E1 production and there is fall of E2. Okay. And then what happens? This E1, which is positive on the LH, is negative on the FSH. That means it will help in production of LH and it will decrease the production of FSH. That is why you will be having anovulatory cycles, because LH and FSH together will help in releasing of the follicle or releasing of the ovum and its maturation. So remember, increase in LH will cause increase in androgens. So hyperandrogenic state will cause male pattern baldness. It will cause hirsutism or hair on your facial areas, on your chest and your trunk, and also it will cause acne, as we discussed in the acne topic, which is hormonal and it is near the chin and it is also persistent. And also increase in E1 and decrease in E2, there is hormonal disruption, there is hyperestrogenic state, but it is not of E2, it is of E1. And because there is no FSH or very low FSH compared to the LH, you will have anovulatory cycles or irregular menstruation. I think you have understood the pathophysiology of PCOS. Here at Fidicus, we have two kind of consulting options. One is online consultation and another one is offline consultation. If you are nearby in Manikonda, you can come and here visit us through offline consultation. If you are anywhere around the globe and you have seen this video, you are suffering from PCOS and you want effective cure, then you can consult us online through this number which is visible here, either through WhatsApp or through call. And on online we have two features, which is audio call and video call. Remember to call or WhatsApp us on this number. And if you are suffering from PCOS and you are not here in India, your medicine will be shipped to you within 5 to 6 days. If you are out of India or USA. If you're staying in USA and you like to visit us, or you have already taken doctor consultation and you need medication, your medicine will be shipped within 3 to 4 business days. If you're anywhere in India, then it will take about 3 to 4 days for your medicine to reach you. If you're suffering from PCOS, why do you want to choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Here are some reasons. We stand really tall with our highest success rate. The personal care we provide here is of highest quality, and also the medication is transparent. So for safe as well as effective homeopathy, choose Fidicus. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.